Brad, I hate to be the one that tells you this,
Yes.
but as you get older, you tend to lose shoulder motion. And the problem with that is it often causes pain.
Yeah. Well, the shoulder's got. When I was in school, 7 joints make up
Right.
the shoulders. I have a hard time remembering all of them, but it's kind of technical. But
All right.
we won't bore
We'll
them.
show you how to get it moving again.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So first, you're gonna need some type of stick, Brad.
Right.
A booyah stick. What is that? A mop?
Yeah. Yeah. You would.
A broomstick?
Yeah. It needs to be about 4 or 5 feet long is preferable.
Right. Or a dowel?
Yeah. Piece of doweling PVC pipe, inch and a half in diameter, but whatever you have will work. You'll see.
But let's get started.
Yes.
The first one is called the. After you, Brad, you named it the
Statue of Liberty. Yes. And this is why you kind of
Right.
look like the
So
Statue
you
of
start
Liberty.
by reaching up as high as you can, walk your hand up the stick
Mhm.
as high as you can, and then with the bottom secured, you're
Yep.
going to lean forward.
So the bottom of the thing is secured. If there's a rubber tip on it, works great so it doesn't slip. In this case, a mop actually has a nice swivel. It works really nice. In this case, this is too low for me, so I'm going to have to go off of my chair. I'm going to flip it this way because that's too big. And then I'm going to take a shoe and put it right there, and that keeps it from slipping, and then you have your Statue of Liberty mop.
And after you do it once, you can reach again and go higher yet.
Oh, yes.
You can also, Brad, I just started this,
Yeah.
you can actually turn the palm out
Palm out.
and go out to the side like
Oh,
this.
yes, abduction. So you can see, did you explain when you lean, it actually pulls and stretches.
And it does traction
Yep.
of sorts.
And it really gives you a lot of leverage, so it works out well.
People are really happy how it progresses their arm.
Yeah, how you get that extension
Right.
range of motion. So you're going to do maybe 5 to 10 of these, hold and stretch, or you could just hold it for 15 to
Right.
30
Feels
seconds.
great.
Yep. Oh.
Should be no pain.
Might want to do both shoulders so you don't end up uneven.
There you go. All right, this one I got a tribute to Robin McKenzie.
Sure.
It's a shoulder extensions. Extensions.
There.
So we're gonna go back,
All right. Not out to the side, but straight behind you. Oh, there's a
palm down,
Yep.
thumb down, and I'm gonna go back like this,
Yep.
like I'm paddling a canoe.
If
Right.
you have one of these, make sure you flip it down so you can imagine it paddling.
And stretch it when you get back.
Yep. I love to do this one. I do this one every day, just about 3 or 4 reps, maybe 5 reps. And I stretch there, and you can feel this whole anterior aspect of the shoulder get a nice
When
stretch.
you're doing a lot of head work,
Yep.
Brad, you should do some of these as a counterbalance.
Yep. Little both directions. Oh,
There you go.
and it's good for your posture as well.
The next one, Brad, is shoulder internal rotation.
That's a weird one. What are we talking about?
This is where the booyah stick really helps
Yep.
because it slides along the back.
Yeah, so make sure you have a shirt on.
And if you're tall, it's a problem because you hit the ceiling.
Well, just slide down.
Right.
There you go. Yeah, you poke a hole in the ceiling, that's an issue. But this is the shoulder that we're stretching. This looks a little awkward to get into. With my patients, I say put the stick in front of you, put your thumb down, grab it there. This is the shoulder that's getting stretched. Go over the top of your head, and it ends up in the right place. Thumb up here. Sometimes it's hard to get a hold of. There we go. And in this situation, if you're tall enough and you got some dirt on the ceiling, you can go up there and
Get rid of that.
wash it.
Scratch your back at the same time.
Again, all of these should not create sharp pain, just a stretch in the shoulder.
Next one, shoulder external rotation. So you take your hand, slide it palm up, thumb between the finger and the thumb, go like this, and lift and turn like that. And now you got to be real gentle with this one.
Yeah, this is a vulnerable part for the force on the shoulder. So
You
just
don't want to do this
gentle.
one if your shoulders dislocate.
Yep. So again, this is going to be for more advanced shoulders that want some external rotation. Gentle, gentle
Very
stretch.
gentle.
Yep.
Next one is shoulder abduction. Ab means to go away from the body.
Right.
So you're going to start with your palm facing out or down, and you're going to use the other arm as the force,
Right. Yep. The lever force, whatever you want to call it. And, then,
and you're going to just gently work your way out.
so like I have my thumb in. You could do out was probably the
More effective way.
Yep. Yep. So when you get up, your thumb is pointing up towards the ceiling. And again, it's straight out to the side. Stretch. Ow, it hurts. That's too far. Just a gentle stretch.
Now
nothing
hang
aggressive.
around. We're going to show you a bonus one.
Oh, bonus. Excellent.
All right, Brad calls this one the chicken wing.
Chicken wing egg.
So
Exactly.
start again with your thumb down, fist down.
Yep.
Come around your head.
Over the top, so you end up. This is a little advanced, but once you get it, it's easy.
Now I'm stretching the right one.
Right. The one behind. The palm will go away from your back here, thumb up.
Again, this is very aggressive. I wouldn't do this with shoulders that dislocate or rheumatoid arthritis.
Yep. Yeah, and it's not a real painful shoulder
So
is going to do this.
You
It's,
go up a little bit and then out.
like that. Don't hit yourself in the head with the stick.
For
Out
some
to the
reason,
side.
this works really well with shoulder impingement.
Mm-hmm. Boy, this one I've been doing. It's been a nice compliment over the last.
I
2
stopped
years.
doing it, but it was great for me when,
Yeah.
when I needed it.
Well, and then if you want to switch and do the other arm, you simply leave it there and do the big switcheroo. Again, if you get frustrated and your hands get tangled up, that's kind of normal.
And just don't hit your head,
Yep.
as Brad already said.
Oh, this one feels really good today. I like the. And if you're a swimmer, these are great. Really good if you're a swimmer, which most people aren't. All right, Bob. Anything else? A bonus?
No, that's
Okay,
it.
very good. Make
We
sure.
can fix about anything.
Except for.
A broken heart.
Right, but I'm thinking this has something to do with it. We could kind of scrub around on there
Yeah.
a little bit, polish up that chest and get
Make
the
it
heart.
start again.
Yeah, there you go. Here, I'll give you a boom. All right. Whatever. Have a good day.